Mama wasukula la pe.
Bonjour, Papa di Khadikan. Yeah, I'm blind. Okay, you?
Tsa Moshoeshoe from Hatizan.
Okay. Oh, where?
I am Precious Tuto from Tenola.
Alright, yeah. But no.
Sing, I can rap, so yeah, I mean, just a musician.
Oh, okay, you're just a musician. Okay, what do you take part in? What do you do? Alright, when am I sister?
I'm a model and an actor.
Ah, nice. Oh, model and an actor. Right away, man. And yourself?
Well, if I'm gonna be honest, I'm a lot of things, but in Tsa Moshoeshoe, I'm a singer.
Okay.
I sing.
Okay. Yeah, you are a lot of things.
I'm a lot of things. Exactly.
Yeah, songs, you have everything in it. Like, hey,
I got everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. They're actually promoting at this point in time, yeah? We're talking of Mama. It's a beautiful song right here. Woo! Precious Uting, Chutoting, Mamang, Antize, Ichukwete. Yeah, that's the nigga right there. Yeah, lavish, okay. Okay. What really motivates the song?
We talk about a lot of things that happen in our communities, you know, and a lot of people right now are struggling financially. Ever since COVID, people been struggling financially. And
Hey man, it's been like that since before COVID, man.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
COVID,
like after COVID?
You know, COVID,
yeah, I made it worse.
Yeah, you know. And even yesterday, something very bad happened in the country because of struggling financially. You know, I don't even want to talk about it because it really made me like mad.
I know.
Like, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Even here, you know, like we are here and this is under auspices of a government. When I was talking about it, I was like, I know, guy, you don't have to talk about that. You have to support. I'm like, who? Who? This is concern.
Yeah.
This is like, you know, it's like a nation's concern.
Yeah.
Now you want me to like, to lick some toes. What?
No.
Nah, bruh.
Nah, bruh.
Anyway, okay. This is the single that you're dropping, yeah? Wow. What is the intention?
Because right now we know that a lot of people can relate to the song. We just want to talk about matters that people can relate to, you know. And especially coming from a background of hip hop nowadays, I love hip hop. You know, as a musician who
I know that.
But my fellow artists, my fellow brothers don't do music that touch souls, that addresses people's issues anymore. You know? I feel like there's a lot of content leaking yellow money. We are all about turning up only and like come on, let's talk about
let's get body on the ground.
Let's start talking about serious things that people can relate to. You know?
Okay. Yeah, I remember like I've heard like Skepta D just like dropped one of the singles called Falling. It's also on this level. I had Stoneface. Yeah, it was a Stoneface. It's Stoneface featuring Kim Moses. Also, yeah, he was talking about love. It's love and the problems and whatnot. You know what I mean? Like real issues that are like concerning Basotho or us as a youth of this country.
Yeah.
So I see Luena, you just like here, realizing the situation that is going on at home. Yeah.
I realized, we really have to start talking to people, especially if you want them to support us, you know.
Yeah, true. Talk about the issues that they concern them, yeah? Okay, what are the projects that you were just like, working on at this point in time?
We are currently still shooting the music video. When we are done right now, immediately I had a look at the shoot that music video. We've been shooting that for like the past 2 weeks.
Okay.
You know, so yeah, that's gonna be dropping very soon, possibly in a week or two from now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the concept behind that?
It's basically
because like what I'm trying to understand is this, like some other people when they come up with music videos. You will talk about this, but on a music video we don't show that.
And talk about it.
Something else.
Something
you understand what I'm saying? So yeah. Will it correlate with what you're saying?
It's already correlating because you see the model that's in table. She's playing the lead actress on the music video. She mama going through ups and downs.
Nice. What's about Sukula?
She's even crying.
Oh yes, I know.
I just wanted to find out what also call on that one. Yeah.
Nikala went and table on
I
this.
see.
Yeah, and I saw that picture.
It's so
It's
emotional, bro.
very, very
Yeah.
straight up. The picture.
Nah,
is
she's
there.
she's an actress.
I
I
don't like blowing on my own horn, but it's gonna be the best music video this year in the country.
You serious?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll see it on the telly. I'll just definitely. So, okay, your advice on like other people who just want to be artists. Like I know, like some people who are looking up to you guys, like your work especially.
Just make sure that you research about whatever career you want to venture into. Make sure you research about it, know about it. Because a lot of people, it's like people who want to become musicians, they think you're just gonna make a nice song, maybe that's it, it pops. There's so many things to do behind the scenes. There's discipline, there's so many things that you have to know, and you know,
There's a lot.
there's a lot.
Yeah, there was this other time I remember. I was just like telling one of the guys. He just like brought what do you call this? The single.
Yeah.
Hey DIBOZA, Braka, please, I have a single. Yeah, I'm like, no, bring it on.
Yeah.
Come and listen to it. You understand? I was like, should I interview? I'm like, really?
Yeah.
No, you can just like drop something. At least if you have a history
Yeah.
of like music and all that, we've seen you and all that. At least you can build a story.
Yeah.
And we can build an interview that is like
Yeah.
it's in Jordan Fitu and no man. I know. Let's take it garaging. I know man. You know. I know it's something like that. So it's like
let me tell you a funny story. Tsa Moshoeshoe Mama, actually we don't drink when we are going to our performances because I've come to realize that a lot of musicians they will be having a gig at the event.
as if like Osanza Pop.
Like my guy, you are there to work. When I'm spending more, we are celebrating what are we?
About Mama Sokolang, right? But you have to stand up. You understand? You have to like like get up and like help Mama. Understand? That's all. That's what it's all about.
Yeah, because these days, man, we found out okay, our youth are actually blaming parents for not having moolah
That's
and all
not
that. It's
it.
like, yeah,
That's
no.
not actually done.
And since we're here, I just want to say thanks to Ultimate because they've been playing our local artists, you know. And
I don't call them a local artist.
No,
Myself, I call them
we are not local artists.
Mountain Kingdom artists, all the sorts of artists. LAS, baby.
We are international artists. They are only based locally for now. Yeah. So I just want to appeal to the radios locally that guys, please give
Support
these guys, these new guys, an opportunity. An opportunity. Have you seen what's happening with SA hip hop? All of like the top guys who are relevant for the past years are in the backseat right now because Amapiano is taking over, and all these new cats who are dominating with Amapiano, they used to be on hip hop.
I know.
There's so many guys who are talented in the country. Let's give them opportunities.
It's not about you know, like you have to run to opportunity.
True.
Opportunity, you create yourself an opportunity.
True.
It's not like yeah.
We have to call
Okay, yeah, it's not like okay, I'll see you, or you know, okay, what chase or something like that. Because Luena, I have to come to you. You understand?
Yeah,
do your work. I'll do mine.
Yeah.
You see what I mean? You can't just like say people are shutting doors for you guys and all that.
I think you've said it's so fair.
Yeah. You understand?
Very
You,
fair,
you have to do yours, I'll do mine.
Right.
Or somebody would just like do yours, like, oh wow. When like a student as like totally a grade, you understand? But Hana you go high.
Yeah.
Somebody will just
Mama
like, okay, I'll pay. Hey, Mama was so cool. Somebody will pay out. One no service like that.
Yeah.
Already something to spend. Yeah.
Yeah.